Impressive health benefits of beets. Beetroots, frequently referred to as beets, are a popular root veggie used in lots of cuisines worldwide. Beets are packed with important vitamins, minerals and plant substances, a few of which have medical, residential or commercial properties. What's more, they are tasty and simple to add to your diet plan. This video will cover the 9 health advantages of beets, all supported by science. 1. High nutrients in few calories. Beets boast a remarkable dietary profile. They are low in calories, yet high in valuable vitamins and minerals. In fact, they contain a little almost all the minerals and vitamins that you require. Here is an introduction of the nutrients discovered in a 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of cooked beetroot. Calories: 44 protein, 1.7 grams fat, 0.2 grams fiber, 2 grams vitamin C, 6% of the RDI folate, 20% of the RDI vitamin B6, 3% of the RDI magnesium, 6% of the RDI potassium, 9% of the RDI phosphorus, 4% of the RDI manganese, 16% of the RDI iron, 4% of the RDI. Beets consist of inorganic nitrates and pigments, both of which are plant compounds that have a variety of health advantages. Summary: beets are filled with minerals and vitamins and low in calories and fat. They also contain inorganic nitrates and pigments, both of which have a number of health advantages. 2. Help keep high blood pressure leveled. Cardiovascular disease, including heart attacks, cardiac arrest and stroke, is among the leading causes of death worldwide. High blood pressure is one of the leading risk factors for the advancement of these conditions. Research studies have revealed that beets can significantly lower blood pressure by as much as 4–10 millimeters of mercury over a duration of just a few hours. The result seems higher for systolic blood pressure, or pressure when your heart contracts, instead of diastolic high blood pressure, or pressure when your heart is relaxed. The result may likewise be stronger for raw beets than prepared beets. These blood pressure lowering results are likely due to the high concentration of nitrates in beets. In your body, dietary nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates capillary, triggering blood pressure to drop. Blood nitrate levels stay raised for about 6 hours after eating dietary nitrate. Therefore, beets just have a short-term impact on high blood pressure, and regular consumption is needed to experience long-term reductions in blood pressure. Summary: beets contain a high concentration of nitrates, which have a blood pressure-lowering impact. This might cause a decreased danger of cardiovascular disease, heart failure and stroke. 3. Can enhance athletic performance. Several studies suggest that dietary nitrates might boost athletic performance. For this reason, beets are typically utilized by professional athletes. Nitrates appear to affect physical efficiency by enhancing the performance of mitochondria, which are accountable for producing energy in your cells. In 2 studies consisting of 7 and 8 males, consuming 17 ounces 500 milliliters, of beet juice daily for 6 days extended time to fatigue during high-intensity workout by 15–25%, which is a 1–2% enhancement in overall efficiency. Consuming beets may also improve biking and athletic efficiency and boost oxygen usage by as much as 20%. In one study of 9 competitive cyclists looked at the result of 17 ounces 500 milliliters, of beetroot juice on cycling time trial performance over 2.5 and 10 miles, 4 and 16.1 kilometers. Consuming beetroot juice improved performance by 2.8% over the 2.5-mile, 4-kilometer, time trial and 2.7% over the 10-mile, 16.1 kilometers, trial. It is essential to note that blood nitrate levels peak within 2–3 hours. Therefore, to maximize their potential, it's best to consume beets 2–3 hours before training or competing. Summary: consuming beets may improve athletic efficiency by enhancing oxygen usage and time to exhaustion. To optimize their effects, beets need to be consumed 2–3 hours prior to training or competing. 4. May assist with fighting inflammation. Persistent inflammation is related to a variety of diseases, such as obesity, heart problem, liver illness and cancer. Beets include pigments called betalains, which may possibly have a variety of anti-inflammatory properties. Beetroot juice and beetroot extract have actually been shown to decrease kidney inflammation with hazardous chemicals understood to induce major injury. One research study in humans with osteoarthritis revealed that betalain capsules made with beetroot extract minimized discomfort and discomfort related to the condition. While these studies recommend that beets have an anti-inflammatory effect, human research studies are required to determine whether beets could be used to minimize swelling. Summary: beets might have a number of anti-inflammatory impacts. Nevertheless, additional research in humans is needed to confirm this theory. 5. May improve digestive health. Dietary fiber is an important element of a healthy diet plan. It has actually been connected to numerous health benefits, consisting of improved digestion. 1 cup of beetroot consists of 3.4 grams of fiber, making beets a great fiber source. Fiber bypasses food digestion and heads down to the colon, where it either feeds the friendly gut germs or includes bulk to stool. This can promote digestion health, keep you routine and prevent digestion conditions like constipation, inflammatory bowel disease and diverticulitis. Moreover, fiber has actually been connected to a minimized danger of chronic diseases consisting of colon cancer, heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Summary: beets are an excellent source of fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health, in addition to decreasing the danger of a number of chronic health conditions. 6. May help assistance brain health. Psychological and cognitive function naturally decrease with age. For some, this decline is considerable and may result in conditions like dementia. A reduction in blood circulation and oxygen supply to the brain may add to this decline. Remarkably, the nitrates in beets may enhance mental and cognitive function by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and hence increasing blood circulation to the brain. Beets have been revealed to particularly improve blood flow to the frontal lobe of the brain, a location associated with higher-level thinking, such as decision-making and working memory. Moreover, one study in type 2 diabetics looked at the result of beets on easy response time, which is a measure of cognitive function. Simple reaction time throughout a computer-based cognitive function test was 4% faster in those who consumed 8.5 ounces (250 milliliters) of beetroot juice daily for 2 weeks, compared to the placebo. However, whether beets could be used in a clinical setting to enhance brain function and minimize the risk of dementia remains to be seen. Summary: beets include nitrates, which may help increase blood circulation to the brain, improve cognitive function and potentially decrease the danger of dementia. Nevertheless, more research study in this area is needed. 7. May have some anti-cancer properties. Cancer is a serious and possibly deadly illness defined by the unrestrained development of cells. The antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory nature of beets have led to an interest in its capability to prevent cancer. Nevertheless, the present proof is relatively limited. Beetroot extract has been revealed to decrease the division and growth of growth cells in animals. One test tube research study utilizing human cells found that beetroot extract, which is high in betalain pigments, lowered the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells. It is essential to keep in mind that these research studies were carried out in separated human cells. Additional research study is necessary to identify whether similar results would be discovered in living, breathing human beings. Summary: studies in human cells have actually shown that the pigments in beets may help in reducing the growth of cancer cells. 8. May assist you reduce weight. Beets have a number of dietary properties that must make them good for weight loss. Initially, beets are low in calories and high in water. Increasing your consumption of low-calorie foods like fruits and vegetables has actually been associated with weight loss. In addition, in spite of their low-calorie material, beets contain moderate quantities of protein and fiber. These are both crucial nutrients for accomplishing and preserving a healthy weight. The fiber in beets might likewise assist promote weight loss by minimizing appetite and promoting sensations of fullness, therefore lowering general calorie consumption. While no research studies have directly tested the impacts of beets on weight, it's most likely that including beets to your diet plan can help in weight loss. Summary: beets have a high water and low calorie content. Both of these nutrients are useful for weight loss. 9. Delicious and easy to include in your diet plan. This last one is not a health advantage, yet it is still essential. Not just are beets healthy, but they are also incredibly tasty and easy to incorporate into your diet plan. Beets can be juiced, roasted, steamed or pickled. Also, they can be purchased pre-cooked and canned for convenience. Choose beets that are heavy for their size with fresh, green leafy tops still connected. Dietary nitrates are water-soluble, so it is best to prevent boiling beets to optimize their nitrate content. Here are some scrumptious and fascinating ways to include more beets to your diet. Beetroot salad. Grated beets make a delicious and vibrant addition to coleslaw. Beetroot dip. Beets mixed with Greek yogurt make a scrumptious and healthy dip. Beetroot juice. Fresh beetroot juice is best, as store-bought juice can be high in sugar-coated and might only contain a small amount of beets. Beetroot leaves. Beet leaves can be cooked and taken pleasure in like spinach, so don't toss them out. Summery beetroot is a scrumptious and versatile veggie that is simple to add to your diet plan. Select beets that are heavy for their size with green tops still connected. The bottom line, beets supply some impressive health advantages. Not to mention, they are low in calories and an excellent source of nutrients, including fiber, folate and vitamin C. Beets also consist of nitrates and pigments that may help lower high blood pressure and improve athletic efficiency. Lastly, beets are scrumptious and flexible, fitting well into a healthy and well-balanced diet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.